prone, I, protracted, bilateral, shoulder, axial rotations. Do you have trouble with the ring turnout at the top of a ring dip or a ring push-up? Are you struggling to keep your arms straight while performing L-sits? This neat little shoulder external rotation exercise may be exactly what you're looking for. You will need an elevated surface to lie on, as the shoulders need to be protracted and the arms are slightly forward of the body. You will also need 2 tennis balls or something similar to squeeze in each hand. Lying prone on the elevated surface with a tennis ball in each hand, set a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by tucking your tailbone between your legs and sucking your belly button towards the spine to create a hollow body shape. Straighten the arms down by your sides. Push the shoulders down towards the floor and spread the shoulder blades across your back to protract the shoulders. Notice the hands are slightly lower than the torso. Squeeze the tennis balls nice and hard to create tension in the arms, as this will increase the range of motion in both internal and external shoulder rotation. Internally rotate the shoulders as far as you can and then actively hold the end range position for 3 to 5 seconds. Active means you are trying to contract the shoulder internal rotators and fight for more range. Next, externally rotate the shoulders as far as you can and then actively hold the end range position for 3 to 5 seconds. Again, fighting for more range. Focus on keeping the shoulders protracted, the elbows locked, the tennis balls squeezed, and working as much shoulder rotation as you can for the prescribed number of repetitions. I typically program 3 sets of 5 to 6 reps with a 5-second active hold on each rep's maximum internal and external rotation.